Hello, welcome to this video, Easy Stories for ESOL Learners. My name's Callum. The name of the story is The Small Bird. So watch, listen and understand. I hope you like this video. Let's get started. Hello. So this is a small bird. A small bird. Bird, tweet, 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 tweet. Okay, a bird. So this is a small bird. It's not a big bird. No. It's not a big bird. No. It's a small bird. Okay, it's a small bird. So this is a small bird. And the small bird, he is sad. He's sad. Yes, he's sad. He's sad. Yeah, he's sad. Why? Why is he sad? He's sad because he can't fly. No, he can't fly. Fly? Fly. Okay, fly. He can't fly. No, he can't fly. So these birds can fly, yes, but the small bird can't fly, and he's sad. He's sad, yes. He wants to fly, but he can't fly, so he's sad, yes. But the small bird tries to fly. Yes, he tries to fly. He tries to fly, but he falls. He tries to fly again, but he falls. He falls. So the small bird tries to fly on Monday, but he falls. He tries to fly on Tuesday, but he falls. And he tries to fly on Wednesday, but he falls. He tries to fly on Thursday, but he falls. He tries to fly on Friday, but he falls. He tries to fly on Saturday, but he falls. He tries to fly on Sunday, but he falls. So the small bird tries to fly every day. Okay, every day. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Every day. Okay, so the small bird tries to fly every day, but every day the small bird falls. Then one day, maybe Friday, maybe Wednesday, maybe Tuesday, I don't know. One day, the small bird tries to fly, and he flies and flies and flies and flies, and he doesn't fall. No, he doesn't fall. He flies and flies and flies and flies high into the sky. He flies high into the sky. Sky? Sky? What sky? So the small bird flies high into the sky. The sky. Okay, so this is the sun. Okay, so and clouds. Okay, so these are clouds. Yeah, so all this is the sky. Okay, so this is the sky. Yes. So the small bird flies high into the sky. Okay, into the sky. And now the small bird is is no longer sad. No, he's not sad, okay? He's happy now. Yes, he's happy. So now the small bird is not sad. He's happy. Yes, happy. He's happy now because he can fly. The end.